UPC codes are getting trickier as time goes on. My name is Stephen Pope and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. In this video, I'm going to talk about the error message that many people receive when they're trying to use some of their UPC codes and how to fix it using GS1. We've made this standard operating procedure, which I'll copy into the description here. This is the error message that many people are receiving right now. UPC codes do not match the products you are trying to list. And this is an error that many sellers currently see when listing new products. So this particular video is only going to fix new products, not old products. It is possible to change a UPC code on an old product, but we generally don't recommend it. For new products, this particular fix, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to GS1. Now GS1 is a little bit expensive, more than I think it should be anyway. They do have a couple of options to purchase UPC codes, and you technically can buy from any GS1 organization. It is cheaper to buy it in the UK. I do recommend, though, buying it from the US and paying the extortion fees. They are not necessarily worth it, but you never know whether that's going to make an impact at a later point. So go over to GS1, make the purchase. You're going to get a prefix. If you only have like 2 or 3 SKUs, you can buy a single UPC code. And it's not terrible on pricing. After you make the purchase, then you can go and create a company prefix depending on the batch of numbers you purchase. So you could buy prefixes in batches of 10, 100, 1,000, whatever it might be. And then after that, you're going to be able to go to this link right here, which is dh.gs1us.org. And then you'll sign in on the Data Hub to be able to grab an actual certificate. So when you access the GS1 Data Hub, you can click on Print Identifier Certificate. And you can see that in the screenshot right here, and it's in the top right. And once you print the identifier certificate, you're going to then go over to Amazon and file a case and basically say, hey, we've got the correct identifiers. Please allow us to list our items. So you can see the identifier certificate on that next page here. You're going to download that. You're going to go back to seller support and create a case. And what I recommend you do in this case is put the GS1 certificate as well as the list of UPC codes you're trying to utilize, and then write something along the lines of this. We're attempting to create new listings using UPC codes that we purchased legally through GS1. I'm attaching the processing report batch file upload that we were receiving errors on. Put in the batch ID that you previously attempted. And that generally is done by a template upload. As you can see, we're being told the UPC codes do not match the products, but this is not the case as we purchase these codes directly for these products. I'm attaching the GS1 certification documents to this case. Please correct this error, and so we can list our new products. So that's the trend from end to end to get this problem resolved. You do have to actually purchase some GS1 codes. I've done an interview directly with the GS1 team. We actually opened them up to live Q&A to our audience. If you want to watch that video next, you can see it here. And then I've also covered the news on the GS1 on what they're up to and kind of my belief system on whether you should react or be proactive on the UPC questions, and you can watch that here. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy.